Did you know that in 2024, the global consumer spending is expected to reach a staggering $50 trillion? Are we buying smarter or just more? In the year 2024, the allure of consumerism has never been stronger. Our lives are inundated with shiny new products, each promising to enhance our lives in some unprecedented way. From the latest tech gadgets to the newest fashion trends, consumerism has become a powerful force that shapes our decisions, our lifestyles, and even our identities. But what is the real cost of this rampant consumerism? It's not just about the money we spend, it's also about the impact on our personal finances and the environment. When we buy something, we're not just exchanging money for a product, we're also using up resources, contributing to pollution, and often adding to the clutter in our homes. Unnecessary spending is a term we're all too familiar with, yet it's a habit that's hard to break. In the age of online shopping and instant gratification, it's easier than ever to make impulsive purchases, but these seemingly harmless decisions can add up over time, leading to financial strain and unnecessary waste. So, how do we navigate through the enticing maze of consumerism in 2024? The answer lies in conscious spending. It's about making informed decisions, understanding the real value of what we're buying, and considering the long-term impact of our purchases. But don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to guide you through the complex world of consumerism and help you make smarter buying decisions. Are you ready to take control of your spending habits? Get ready as we unveil the top 10 things you should not buy in 2024. We'll delve into why these items made the list and what you can do to avoid them. So, brace yourself for a reality check as we take a deep dive into the realm of unnecessary spending. Counting down from number 10, we have single-use plastics. A staple of convenience, these items have become ubiquitous in our daily lives. However, the environmental impact of these products is far from negligible. Each year, vast amounts of plastics end up in our oceans, harming marine life and ecosystems. They also take hundreds of years to decompose, lingering in our environment far longer than their short-lived utility merits. But there's good news. The market is brimming with cost-effective and eco-friendly alternatives. From reusable shopping bags to water bottles, and from bamboo toothbrushes to metal straws, these products not only reduce waste but also save you money in the long run. And let's not forget, many companies are now offering incentives to customers who bring their own reusable items. So, by saying no to single-use plastics, you're not just saving money, but also contributing to a healthier planet. At number 9, we have fast fashion. Fast fashion is the rapid production of high fashion designs at a low cost, making it easier for us to keep up with the latest trends. But this convenience comes at a price for both our wallets and our planet. The constant cycle of buying and discarding clothing takes a toll on our personal finances and contributes to the growing issue of textile waste. On the other hand, investing in quality, sustainable clothing might seem pricey up front, but it ensures longevity and less environmental impact. With sustainable clothing, you're not just investing in a piece of garment, but also in a healthier planet. So next time you're tempted by the latest fashion fad, remember that it's not just about looking good, it's also about making choices that are good for your wallet and the world around you. Remember, quality over quantity always pays off in the long run. Moving on to number 8, the latest tech gadgets. It's easy to get caught up in the allure of shiny new devices, each promising to be smarter, faster, and more impressive than the last. But let's take a moment to consider the cost. Not just the hefty price tag that comes with the latest models, but the financial burden of constantly feeling the need to upgrade. Now, This isn't to say that technology is bad. Quite the contrary. It's about understanding the difference between need and want. A 5-year-old smartphone can make calls, send texts, and browse the web just as well as a brand new one. And let's not forget the environmental impact of tech waste. In a world of rapidly evolving technology, it's essential to differentiate between what's necessary and what's simply a luxury. So, before you rush to purchase the latest tech gadget, ask yourself, do I really need it? At number 7, we have bottled water. Despite its convenience, bottled water comes with a hefty price tag, both for your wallet and the environment. The cost per gallon of bottled water can be hundreds of times more than tap water, while the plastic bottles contribute to our ever-growing waste problem. Now, consider the benefits of a reusable water bottle. Not only can you save significant sums of money, but you're also doing your part in reducing plastic waste. By opting for a reusable water bottle, you're not just saving money, but also reducing plastic waste. Coming in at number 6 are pre-cut fruits and vegetables. While they may seem convenient, their high cost and short shelf life make them a less than ideal choice. Whole produce, on the other hand, offers better value for money and generally lasts longer. Plus, it comes with the added benefit of being better for the environment. So, next time you're at the grocery store, opt for whole fruits and vegetables. A little extra time in the kitchen can save you a lot in the long run. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have gym memberships. Now, don't get me wrong, gyms have their place. They offer a variety of equipment and classes that can be a great supplement to your fitness journey. But with the high monthly fees, annual contracts, and initiation costs, gym memberships can quickly become a hefty financial burden. In 2024, the average gym membership can set you back several $100s a year. And let's not forget, according to studies, about half of gym memberships go unused. That's money going straight down the drain. Instead, consider investing in at-home workout gear, or better yet, partake in free outdoor activities, jogging in the park, cycling around your neighborhood, or even bodyweight exercises at home can be just as effective. It's vital to remember, fitness is not confined to the 4 walls of a gym. It's about maintaining a healthy lifestyle, which can be achieved anywhere. Remember, fitness is a lifestyle, not a location. At number 4, we have extended warranties. Often touted as a smart buy, these warranties can actually be a hefty extra expense with little to no payoff. The cost frequently outweighs the benefit, especially when considering most products either outlive the warranty or come with a manufacturer's guarantee. Furthermore, claims processes are often complex and time-consuming. In essence, extended warranties can be more of a headache than a help. Sometimes, peace of mind is not worth the extra cost. Coming in at number 3 is cable TV. In this era of digital revolution, cable TV has lost its charm. The rising costs and inflexible packages make it a rather unappealing choice. Meanwhile, streaming services offer flexibility, affordability, and convenience. You can watch your favorite shows whenever you want, wherever you want, and on any device. So why shell out for cable? In the age of streaming, cable TV is a luxury most of us don't need. Just missing out on our top spot at number 2 are brand name medications. Now, let's talk about why you might want to rethink that purchase. Brand name medications often come with a hefty price tag. It's a common misconception that a higher cost equals higher quality. However, this isn't always the case when it comes to medicine. In fact, generic medications contain the same active ingredients in the same dosage as their brand name counterparts. They undergo the same rigorous testing and must meet the same standards set by the Food and Drug Administration. The real difference? The price. Generics can cost up to 85% less than brand name drugs. So, next time you're at the pharmacy, consider asking your pharmacist about generic alternatives. You might be surprised at how much you can save without compromising on the effectiveness of your medication. When it comes to medications, the brand name doesn't always mean better. And finally, at number 1, we have new cars. Now, I know what you're thinking. The smell of a new car, the shiny exterior, the pristine interior, who wouldn't want a piece of that? But before you get carried away, let's consider the facts. New cars are a major investment, often requiring hefty loans with interest. And the moment you drive off the lot, your shiny new vehicle loses a significant chunk of its value. This is what we call depreciation. It's an inevitable process that hits new cars the hardest. On the other hand, used cars have already undergone most of their depreciation, making them a more financially savvy choice. Plus, with the rise of certified pre-owned vehicle programs, you can get a used car that's been thoroughly inspected and refurbished. Remember, a car is a means to an end, not a status symbol. So, there you have it, the top 10 things you should not buy in 2024. Now, let's take a step back and see the bigger picture. We've traversed through a maze of consumer traps, from the allure of single-use plastics to the seduction of new cars. But the key takeaway here isn't just about what not to buy. It's about understanding the power of smart spending. Smart spending is about making informed decisions, about realizing that every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. It's about prioritizing your needs over your wants and investing in quality over quantity. It's about choosing sustainability over convenience and long-term benefits over short-term gratification. And when you start to spend smart, you'll find that not only does your wallet become heavier, but so does your peace of mind. Hello, my friends. You've reached the end of the video, and I want to express my sincere gratitude for sticking around until the conclusion. Your support means the world to me, and I genuinely appreciate your time and engagement. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to show some love by hitting the like button. I value your feedback, so please drop a comment below letting me know your thoughts. My channel focuses on producing entertaining videos covering topics related to business, finance, and life in general. If that aligns with your interests, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Thank you again for being part of this journey, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day. See you in the next one. Join us in our next video where we will talk deeply about the emergency fund, why you need one, and how to build it. See you there.